Hello friends, today's topic, next 8 years markets dull, question mark, a report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. What we are presenting is a report. Probably you need not take it very seriously. A complete stock market cycle is usually said to be 8 years, in which broadly 4 years is the bull phase and 4 years is the bear phase. Usually a phase of high stock market returns is followed by a phase of relatively lower returns from stock markets. Samco Securities has done an interesting study on the long-term returns from Indian stock markets. It has bucketed Sensex returns in multiple 8-year periods to make some interesting observations. Following is the data researched and compiled by Samco Securities. Sensex returns for various 8-year periods. Number 1, 1984 to 1992 returns 1554%. 2, 1992 to 2000 20% returns. 3, 2000 to 2008 271%. 4, 2008 to 2016 48%. 5, 2016 to 2024 190%. And 6, 2024 to 2032 question mark. Our observation and comments are as follows. 1. You can see that for every 8-year period of good returns, the returns for the next 8 years is quite low. 2. The returns over the years for Sensex reduce gradually as the Indian economy develops and slows down in growth. 3. It has been observed that as country's economy develops, the inflation reduces, bank deposit rates fall, and gradually returns from stock market index also reduces. 4. As per analysts, the next 8 years returns will be influenced by the profit growth of Indian companies, which is dependent on Indian economic growth. 5. It has been seen that historically stocks which have done poorly in the previous few years do well in the next few years and vice versa. Many large cap stocks have not given much returns in the last 4 to 5 years could outperform, and stocks which have given fantastic returns will slow down due to adjustment to the long-term average returns. 6. Our markets may take time to recover since there could be more consolidation due to uncertainty in global economy due to tariffs. 7. We need to see if the next 8 years follows the same pattern of comparatively low returns as per historical trend. Here is an announcement. Large number of people have been asking for a workshop on mutual funds. So we are organizing a free 2-hour online workshop on mutual funds, and to know more details about the above workshop, attend a 10 minutes online webinar on 13th April Sunday at 10:15 a.m. To register, send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with the subject mutual fund webinar with your name and mobile number. Seats for the first 80 people only. In order to keep this video short, we are separately organizing a 10 minutes online webinar to talk about the free online workshop on mutual funds. At the end of the video, here is the question. Between 2025 to 2032, do you think Sensex can at least double from the current level? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.